I'll try to spend a few minutes making sure that the people on the call are can equally take that away. One is, as you mentioned, your equivalent of a golden goose for AWS, which is your pure software business that you do for HUL. I understand this is an 11-year contract that has been running with a 75 to 80 lakh rupee monthly revenue and incredibly profitable. You mentioned 85% gross margins, right? And obviously there are a few other clients in that segment, but HUL is the bulk of that business. And given your understanding of HUL, given your understanding of the space, obviously that's a contract that you see scaling and continuing in the future, right? The other two parts of your business are the logistics and the warehousing business. One which is done purely for Amazon as a B2B play, where you support Amazon's distribution to wholesalers, right? On that side, and it's a take on the GMV that you do. But probably the most interesting part from your perspective is what you call Tyche, 50% of your current revenue, and which is basically enabling, and I love this statement, it's on your website, you're enabling groceries to still continue to be the largest retailers in the world, right? Indian groceries to be the largest retailers in the world. I think that's a powerful proposition, because in all the years of online e-commerce, domestic grocery kirana stores that store around the corner has still not been done away with, and it will probably never done away with. There is tremendous amount of inefficiency and loss in margins from a brand perspective as well as a retailer perspective that you are trying to solve as a company,
right?
And the point on working capital management is well taken. Thank you for talking about how Grip plays a role in it. Maybe just if you could dive into the Tyche business, right?
Sure.
Is it fair to say that similar to how some of us would go online and order something, this is providing a retailer the ability to do that, obviously in larger quantities, and get it the next day or the day after that, pay on delivery, order exactly what he wants, and the convenience of ordering online? Is that a fair way to contextualize it?
Absolutely, that's right. That's what it is, Nikhil.